welcome back to Ghent Junction, and today I am joined by
Luigi Slays.
And today I'm just going to give you another railway update on there and the layout, so I'm going to show you those areas now. Welcome, this is at the new storage yard built by myself. This is where we have the scrap trains here, and we have a shunter now just bringing some more scrap into the depot. We have a BR Blue 37. We have a 06 shunter, and we have a 08 as well, just as you've seen being the wagons. Here's a lot of scrap over here. We've got like this, smashed up a bit to make it look like it's used, and this is where all the parts are really. No addition to Ghent Junction is 55001, donated by Luke. Go check out his channel, York Spotter. Also, we have a lovely corner now to the layout, making it good, and I'll get on with it more.
Before we get on any more of the video, you have 5 seconds to like and comment on the video and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I hope you did that. If you want to see the rest of the video,
to the layout is the crossing from the main to the spare track for our test track. Here we see the Intercity 125 crossing over. This line provides an easier way to get from the main to the south end to go put the train in the storage yard. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you for tuning in on the layout. Yeah, we'll see you all in another video from Doncaster and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and if you've got any inquiries what you want to see on the layout, just let us know. Goodbye.
absolutely funny and hilarious.
Wrong way. As in shot. The trains haven't come in time. Too fast. It's what?
I know what to do.
Yeah. Oh shit. And the other things.